Paano kung kailangan mong i-micromanage ang team mo para tumaas ang performance nila? Maraming kasi nagsasabi, no, micromanaging is bad. Dapat hindi ka controlling. Dapat may tiwala ka sa team mo. Okay, let's test that. Imagine a college classroom. Classroom A, the teacher says, guys, malaki na kayo, no? I trust you. Hindi ko na i-track yung attendance. No, kahit hindi kayo pumasok, okay lang. Mag-aral na lang kayo on your own. Galingan nyo na lang sa exam. Okay? Classroom B, the teacher says, I don't trust you yet that you will study on your own. Itatrack ko yung attendance nyo every day at pipilitin ko kayong mag-aral. Now, here's my question. Who do you think would have a higher score as a class during the exam? Classroom A, where the teacher does not track attendance, or Classroom B, where the teacher tracks attendance? Most likely, sasabihin mo, Classroom B. Tama? And most likely, makarelate ka rin nito when we were in college. We tend to learn more kasi when we were forced to come in class compared sa chill na teacher. Tama? So, if you relate this to business, most people avoid micromanaging not because it's bad, but because it is inconvenient. Kung boss ka, inconvenient sa'yo mag-monitor. Tama? Kung empleyado ka, inconvenient din sa'yo kung may nagbabantay sa'yo. Tama? Pero etong tanong ko sa'yo, convenience ba ang goal ng kumpanya mo? Hindi, di ba? The goal is to produce what? Results. To serve the clients, to make a profit, to grow the business. Ngayon, just to be clear, hindi ko sinasabing i-micromanage mo lahat. No? Meron kasing dalawang tao sa kumpanya. Una, newbies at underperformers. Ito yung hindi pa marunong, wala pang napoproduce na results, at hindi pa mapagkakatiwalaan. No? Ito yung taong kailangan mong i-micromanage. Kasi they need support, they need constant check-ins, and they need accountability. Kung hindi mo sila i-micromanage, huwag ka na magtaka kung bakit walang output. Second, achievers. Ito naman yung mga alam na nila yung ginagawa nila. Nakakapag-produce na ng results on their own and may track record of trust na. Ito yung mga taong hindi mo na kailangan i-micromanage. Ito yung mga taong pwede mo nang hayaan lumipad. Micromanaging these people would hurt your business kasi ikaw na ang magiging dahilan bakit babagal ang trabaho. Here's my point. No? There are team members who still need micromanaging and there are team members who don't. It's no longer a question of should I micromanage or not. The question now is who needs it and who does not.